have I got a connection for you. If you guys don't have a tire guy, look at his shop. Would you look at this? He's even got a fan in there, man, because it's hot out. If you don't got a phone number in your phone book that says, yo, come help me on the highway, you better get Diego's number. I'll get it for you right now, just in case you need it. He even does a high-speed balance on him. What do you think of that? Take him off, put him on. Let's get it done, broskies. Liam, crank them suckers on. He's got to get out the breaker bar. Holy mackerel. He's going to torque them down. See, he does everything right. I asked him, I says, what do you think? You think we should torque these down? He goes, I torque everything down. So, Diego, I got to hit you up for your phone number. There's guys out there that might need a guy like you, like I got you on speed dial. So give me your phone number.
631-599-0963.
So it's 631-599? 0963. Hey, put him in your phone book, man. If you need him, he'll be there. Yeah, he's putting all new lugs on it anyway, so maybe these lugs ain't that great. They're kind of old and funky looking. Hey, tell me if you guys ever seen this. This is the second one that did this. It broke off. The cone is still in the rim, and the rest of it's right here. We had to drill one out already. That's crazy, bro. Ay, ay, ay. I should go get the drill, right? Do the same fucking thing?
You're gonna be here a while, so that's two.
Two of them did it. Holy shit. And that's what it looks like. It breaks, the cone breaks right off of it. That's it, Liam, get the hell over here and start drilling. What's left, the one tire on that side?
This side and that side.
You wanna drop this side and start that side while I drill this? Yeah, all right, let's get it done. Get the drill. After you drill these out, these studs are gonna be for shit. So now I gotta get some studs. I don't know how we're gonna get it off. I drilled a bunch of holes in it. Let's see what's happening. You might have to slam it with something, right? Might have to get another rim. I don't know if we fuck it up too bad. We'll have to get another rim. I think whoever owned this car before us, I think they dipped it a couple times, putting the boat in, and that made it just is what it is, you know? Not yet, huh? More drilling? This one, I broke a freaking bit off in this one once, but you're thinking this one needs more, right? Broke it off in there. We had to drill out two of the lugs, which means that we ruined two of the studs to get that wheel off. And then we had to beat it with a sledgehammer, man. That was some tobacco. But it's off. We got brand new studs coming tomorrow, two for this one and one for the other side, and we're gonna get that replaced. So one thing at a time, we're chipping away at this car, and then my son's gonna take it and go run it somewhere upstate. I don't know what he's doing with it, but she's close, she's close. We gotta check out the O2 sensor. It's blowing fuses, so we're assuming the wires on the O2 sensors got burned. So let's find that and fix it and send this car on its way. All right, so you know what? We're not gonna torque this one down because I'm gonna replace two studs. And I don't think there's any need to torque this one down, right? Which one? Oh, that one. Yeah, the back one. Because we also have to replace one stud. So we'll have to pull it back off to do that. So don't forget, if you need that number for your phone book, it's 599-0963.
I follow a chart for torque specs.
Okay.
On the Grand Cherokees, it's 85 to 115. I average it out to 100. And if you have extensions, there's torque loss. So I go a little higher than what the chart follows.
Ah, that's interesting because that's exactly what someone was saying to me. You got an extension on that there. That's not going to give you a correct reading. I guess that's right.
Yeah. There's torque loss, so you got to average that in. I don't know what the math is for that. I just add a little extra.
Good. All right. So we're good to go, man. I'm going to go home and eat dinner. Hey, don't forget, put it in the comments. You guys need a tire guy. Here he is.